Hey guys, it's Miss Ashley again. I have another book for you tonight. This one has a lot of rhyming words in it, and I want you guys to listen and see how many rhyming words you can catch. The book is called What's That? Said the Cat. There's two right there. And it's by Grace Macarone. I found a box, said the fox. I heard, said the bird. What is that? Said the cat. We don't know, said the crow. It is big, said the pig. Let me see, said the bee. Open it up, said the pup. How? Said the cow. I'll use force, said the horse. You think that's gonna work? I don't know. Look at the poor horse. Use a bat, said the rat. I will try, said the fly. Look, the fly's gonna go in the keyhole. There he is. Good luck, said the duck. Beware, said the hare. Beware means be careful, and a hare is a kind of rabbit. Click. Then, oh no. What do you guys think is coming out of that box? The fox, and the bird, and the cat, and the crow, and the pig, and the bee, oh that poor pig, and the pup, and the cow, and the horse, and the rat, and the fly. They look pretty surprised. And the duck, and the hare all said, "See you later, alligator." That poor alligator. I think he just wanted some friends. Look how sad and confused he is. All right, guys. I know that one was really, really short, but I wanted to give you some rhyming practice. So, tell me in the comments, how many rhyming words did we find in this book? I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.